Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Project Motor Racing game crashing, not launching, lagging, not loading black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down the power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi and frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Project Motor Racing game and then click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete game's save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select Project Motor Racing game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Then check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings first and go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall Project Motor Racing game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Project Motor Racing game again to check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever issue you are coming across to the support team and they will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.